this question. X modulus of x minus 3 minus 2 mod x plus 4 is equal to 3. What is the value of x? Now, what we do here is in this case, let us take the zeros on the number line. Let us take the zeros on the number line. What is the 0 here? 3. This 0 is minus 4. Minus 4, 3, keep it here. First of all, mark the zeros. Mark the zeros of this modulus function. So x plus 4 0 is minus 4, x minus 3 0 is minus 3. So this is divided again into how many parts? Here it is divided into 3 parts. Let us, now what I do here, case 1. Let us take the case 1. I take x less than or equal to minus 4. So in this case, let us take any number less than minus 4. Let us take minus 5. Minus 5 minus 3. This is minus 8. And here I can write as minus 5 plus 4. Minus 5 plus 4, that is minus 1. So both are opening with the negative sign. So that is minus of x minus 3 and minus of 2 into, this is can be open, minus of x plus 4 is equal to 3. Is equal to 3. So this I can write as minus x plus 3. And minus into minus, this will become plus. And 2 into x, 2x. 2 plus 2 4s are 8 is equal to 3. So 2x minus x is how much? X. Plus 8 plus 3 how much? 11 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 minus 11. And x is equal to 3 minus 11 how much? 3 minus 11 is nothing but 8, that is minus 8. Minus 8 is the answer. Let me tell you that is the minus 8 is lies in this interval. Yes, this is minus 8 will be in this bracket. So this is the solution of the problem. Let us go for the case number 2. What is the case number 2? Case number 2, the x must be lying in this between. So x is between of 3 and minus 4. Pick up a number between 4 and minus 3. Now you cannot take like that. There is no number like this. Yeah, there is so many numbers in this between minus 4 to 3. You can pick up half like this also. But in this case, I can have many numbers. I thought it is a plus 4. If you have plus 4 plus 3 and 4 like this, you can take points also. In points. Like okay. So now however, now minus 3, minus 4 between there are many numbers. So 0 you can take it here. 0 minus 3, here 0 minus 3, that is minus 3 negative. 0 plus 4, that is 4 positive. So here this will be open negative, this is negative of x minus 3. And this one will be minus 2 into, this is a positive. So positive of x plus 4 is equal to 3. Now you multiply minus x plus 3 minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 3. So minus x minus 2x, how much it is? Minus 3x. 3 minus 4 is how much? Minus 1 is equal to 3. So minus 3x is equal to 4. X is equal to minus 4 by 3. So x is equal to minus 4 by 3 is the solution. Let us see minus 4 by 3 value is how much? Minus 4 by 3 is minus 1 point something, minus 1 point something. Okay, so but minus 1 point something will be in this bracket. Yes, it will be there. So this is the solution of this answer. Okay, I hope you understand. Minus 4 by 3, that is minus 1 point something. Minus 1 point lies in between, so the answer is perfect. Let us go for the case 3 here. Case 3. What I am going to take here, case 3. X is greater than 3. Let us take any number greater than 3. 3 greater than 3, any number you take 4. 4 minus 3. This is what I get here. 4 minus 3 is positive 1. And 4 plus 4, both is positive plus 8. So I can take positive here. This is a positive 1. I can open it the positive. And minus 2 into, this is also with positive, is equal to 3. So what I got here, x minus 3 minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 3. So combination of this minus x minus 7 is equal to 3. minus x is equal to 10. X is equal to minus 10. Tell me minus 10 is in this branch. No, this is not in this branch. So this is no solution. So finally x is equal to, what is your answer? Answer is minus 4 by 3 comma minus 8. Okay, first is minus 8 you should write. I will say first you write minus 8, then you can write the other. Inside builder we write as set form. We write the smallest number first and the next one is the greatest number, like this. Okay, understood?